Hello, everybody. My name is Taiba Mahmood, and I have three very important announcements to make about this channel, about the things that I'm going to do in future. And I'm also going to do two giveaways, two very big giveaways. So stay tuned till the end of this video to know everything and get those two giveaways. And before moving forward, if you're new to this channel, please hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notifications for my channel. तो चलो start करते हैं. The first and foremost important announcement. I've crossed 425 subscribers. Yay! I'm extremely happy. मतलब it has been a long journey. जब मैंने YouTube start करा था, I used to wear big round glasses and I used to wear a suit and I used to be so different and my content used to be so different. But with you guys with me on my side, with your constant feedback, with your constant push, I've been able to upgrade myself and I've evolved myself in many different ways. And I am so humbled and thankful to all of you for supporting me in this YouTube journey. Thank you so much for helping me cross 425 subscribers, and I hope I cross 1,000 subscribers very soon. Now let's come to the second announcement. The second announcement is I have become an author. मतलब यकीन सा नहीं होता कभी कभी ताइबा महमूद has become an author. Yes, guys, I have become an author. I published my first book, that is Unleash Your Spark, last month. And, it's an amazing book that teaches you how you can become a digital coach. Now, a disclaimer. Uh, this book is for those people who know completely nothing about digital coaching. So what is digital coaching? And it's basically how you can find your passion and monetize it. So it's an amazing book, and I have walked through that journey, and I've given a beautiful pathway that you guys can follow to kickstart your own journey of converting your passion into profitable side hustle or a full-time venture. So please leave a nice review for my book. अगर अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज अच्छी से एक रिव्यू जरूर लिखना, because I've written this book with so much of my heart and soul put inside it, and it has some beautiful stories. काफी सारी inspirational anecdotes हैं. बहुत कुछ है उस book में that will help you get started on your journey of passionpreneurship. And now comes the third and very important announcement. So जब मैंने channel start किया था, I was not very much aware about what exactly is a niche, how should I purpose my channel, and I kind of dabbled with a lot of things. I tried and experimented a lot of things, and one thing and one niche that came very close to my heart was mental wellness. Yes, guys, I am a fan of mental wellness, और आगे से my channel is going to be all about mental wellness. So अभी बहुत जल्दी मैं अपना podcast भी launch करने वाली हूँ. My YouTube channel and my podcast, they both are going to be in sync, and they both are going to be on the subject of mental wellness. So I realized मुझे खुद के emotions manage करने नहीं आते थे. I was not very good at handling this emotional part, this part wherein you know how to handle what's going on inside your mind, yes, your psychology and all those things, basically your mindset. So over a couple of months, I have read a lot of books. I am doing trainings related to mental wellness, and I'm learning NLP. I'm doing all these things, and one thing that I've already done is I've done some work on self love, और उसी से related मैं एक course भी launch करने वाली हूँ बहुत जल्दी. So stay tuned on my channel for mental wellness, because from now on, I'm going to give you some important tips, hacks, and tricks that will help you stay on the top of your game, stay happy, stay successful, and live a happy and fulfilled life. So that's the, I think, more bigger purpose of my channel now. Entrepreneurship and all these things, maybe it would be something if you demand more interviews related to entrepreneurship, something, so that I can do once in a blue moon. But the main focus of my channel would be only and only mental wellness. Even if I'm going to interview someone, I'm going to make sure it is on the subject of mental wellness. Now the two giveaways. So the two giveaways is, first I'm going to give away my book for free. So मेरी book अभी Kindle पे free है. So अभी I will provide a link in the description wherein you can click and you can go to my book and read my book for free. And दूसरा जो giveaway है, that is a course that is worth 5,000 rupees. So this course is by India's most digitally advanced course. His name is Siddharth Rajshekhar, and that will help you get a better idea about if you want to pursue digital coaching in future. It will give you so much more clarity. So make sure you take both these giveaways, because they are free for a limited period of time, and after that the prices will go up, and it would be paid. My book would be also paid in some time, and same would be the course also. So I'll just say that thank you so much, guys, again for supporting me in my journey, and I hope to bring you a lot of valuable content through which you can benefit, you can make your life better, and find your true calling and purpose of this life. It is me, Taiba, signing off today, and I will be coming back with lots of amazing content on the subject of mental wellness. So stay tuned on my channel for more amazing content and insights on mental wellness, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.